Tropical storm Erin is heading west towards the states, and it is expected to become a major hurricane. We have a second blob of convection that we're currently watching that is making its way into the southwestern Gulf and does have a small chance of developing into a tropical cyclone as well. And we're watching the Dakotas and Minnesota today and tomorrow for the chance for some severe thunderstorms. It's August 13th, 2025. Let's get into the updates. This is Tropical Storm Erin, and it may be Hurricane Erin within the next 24 to 36 hours. As you see here, it's projected to move west towards the states and become a major hurricane. Now, the waters out here to the west are very warm. I would not be surprised if this tried to get up to Cat 4 or even Cat 5 strength. Now, as Erin begins to move off to the west, you can see we do have a high pressure to the north. Typically this time of year, we do have the Bermuda High stationed out here, and this does have a big steering effect on these storms. Some models want to pull this up to the north, some want to keep it to the south, and we're going to talk about what I think is most likely to happen. The GFS does bring the storm ominously close to the southeastern coast of the US, and our European model brings this storm very, very close to the Carolinas as a 952 millibar storm. Again, we cannot count out the possibility for a landfall in the States. The good news is, as of now, most of our models are bringing this tropical cyclone up into the north, and we would just call this a fish storm. It likely wouldn't affect anyone. Bermuda is out here though, so I shouldn't say it likely wouldn't affect anyone. Bermuda would definitely want to keep their eye on this if it did take this more northerly track. If Erin does strengthen and stretch farther up into the atmosphere, this high pressure will have more pull on it. That's simply because this high pressure's main steering current is up higher in the atmosphere. A weaker storm is more affected by the low level winds. Now, I have no reason to believe Erin won't strengthen pretty rapidly over the next 48 to 72 hours. There's not too much shear ahead of it. There's some warm waters. If I don't see much strengthening and I see the storm continue off into the west-southwest, I'm going to tell you guys tomorrow that I think it may take a farther westerly track. We also have this pocket of convection, like I said, moving into the southwestern Gulf. There are decently warm waters. That's one thing it has going for it, but the chances of development into a tropical storm or hurricane are pretty low, but it's close to home, and this could affect us quickly if it does get itself together, so I'll be watching it. We do have the possibility for some stronger storms later on into the evening and night, moving into southeastern South Dakota and northeastern Nebraska. And the main thing I'd be watching out for here is the wind threat. Moving into tomorrow, we could see a decent QLCS form up here through portions of eastern North Dakota and northern Minnesota. And this would likely move off to the east and southeast as we get into the early morning hours of Friday. There's a possibility for some large hail in this highlighted area tomorrow, but really tonight and tomorrow, it's mostly a wind-driven threat. And last but not least, if you're looking for a cool down, it's coming, but it may be about a week or two away. This is the latest 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. I'm sorry if you're farther out west or you're Florida, you may have to wait a little bit longer. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I haven't been posting or streaming lately because I've been moving, and no, this isn't my permanent setup, but I wanted to get on and especially talk about what's going on in the tropics. I'm going to try to get on and stream tonight, and hopefully I will have all of my things by this weekend, and I can get back to my daily routine of posting every day and streaming every day as well to answer all of your questions. I'll see you in the next video.